Join me as I dive into the future and challenge myself to predict whether Tesla will really dominate the electric vehicle market by 2025. Tesla has been a major player in the electric vehicle game for a while, and its impact on the automotive industry can't be overstated. The company's innovative approach to electric cars has forced traditional manufacturers to rethink their strategies. As the world shifts towards more sustainable transportation options, the electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly important. The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, and Tesla's position in it is a topic of much debate. Some analysts believe the company's dominance is all but guaranteed, while others think it's doomed to fail. With so many factors at play, it's difficult to make a definitive prediction. Tesla's success has inspired a wave of new entrants into the market, from established manufacturers to startup companies. Tesla's been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, but it's not immune to challenges. The company's faced numerous setbacks, from production delays to concerns over battery safety. Despite these challenges, Tesla remains one of the most popular electric vehicle manufacturers in the world. Its loyal customer base and innovative products have helped the company stay ahead of the curve. The question on everyone's mind is whether Tesla can maintain its lead in the electric vehicle market. The company's dominance is largely due to its first-mover advantage, but that won't last forever. As other manufacturers catch up, Tesla will need to continue innovating to stay ahead. The company's plans for expansion, including new factories and products, will be crucial to its success. The electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly crowded, with many manufacturers offering competitive products. Companies like Volkswagen, Nissan, and BMW are all investing heavily in electric vehicles. Their products are gaining popularity. Tesla faces significant challenges from these established manufacturers, which have vast resources and experience. The competition is likely to get fiercer, with more companies entering the market. Tesla's also facing challenges from changing consumer preferences. As electric vehicles become more mainstream, buyers are looking for more affordable options. Tesla's products are generally priced at a premium, which could make them less competitive in a market where price is a major factor. The company will need to adapt to these changing preferences if it wants to remain dominant. The rise of Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers is another challenge Tesla faces. Companies like BYD and NIO are producing high-quality electric vehicles at competitive prices. They're gaining popularity in the Asian market. These companies have the potential to disrupt Tesla's dominance, particularly in the Asian market. Tesla is not just facing challenges from other manufacturers, it's also facing regulatory hurdles. Governments around the world are implementing stricter emission standards, which could affect Tesla's sales. The company will need to navigate these regulatory challenges to maintain its lead in the market. Government incentives for electric vehicles are also changing, which could impact Tesla's sales. Many governments have offered incentives for buyers of electric vehicles, but these incentives are being phased out in some countries. Tesla will need to adapt to these changes to remain competitive. The company's production capabilities are another crucial factor in its success. Tesla has been investing heavily in its manufacturing infrastructure, including the development of new factories. The company's ability to produce high-quality vehicles at scale will be essential to its dominance in the market. Tesla's current position in the market is strong, but it's not invincible. The company's innovative products and loyal customer base have helped it stay ahead of the curve. But it can't afford to rest on its laurels. Tesla needs to continue innovating and adapting to changing market conditions to maintain its lead. The company's innovations, such as its autopilot technology, have been major selling points for its vehicles. Tesla's ability to develop and integrate new technologies will be crucial to its success in the future. The company's investments in research and development will help it stay ahead of the competition. Tesla's also been expanding its product lineup, which will help it appeal to a wider range of buyers. The company's new models, such as the Model Y, have been popular with buyers, and its plans for future models will be essential to its success. The key to Tesla's dominance will be its ability to balance innovation with affordability. The company needs to produce high-quality vehicles that are competitive on price, which is a challenging task. Tesla's economies of scale will help it reduce costs, but it will also need to manage its pricing strategy carefully. Tesla's strategy for 2025 will be crucial to its success. the company needs to navigate the changing market conditions, regulatory hurdles, and competition from other manufacturers. Tesla's plans for expansion, including new factories and products, will help it stay ahead of the curve. The market trends are clear. Electric vehicles are the future, and Tesla is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. However, the company can't afford to be complacent, and it needs to continue innovating and adapting to changing market conditions. The company's dominance in 2025 will depend on its ability to navigate the challenges it faces. Tesla needs to balance innovation with affordability, manage its pricing strategy carefully, and navigate the regulatory hurdles. The company's success will also depend on its ability to expand its product lineup and appeal to a wider range of buyers. Tesla's success in 2025 will have significant implications for the automotive industry. If the company can maintain its lead in the electric vehicle market, it will cement its position as a major player in the industry. However, if it fails to adapt to changing market conditions, it could lose its dominance. In conclusion, Tesla's potential dominance in the electric vehicle market by 2025 is uncertain. The company faces significant challenges, but it also has a strong position in the market and a loyal customer base. Tesla needs to continue innovating and adapting to changing market conditions to maintain its lead. The key takeaways from our analysis are that Tesla's dominance is not guaranteed, and the company faces significant challenges from other manufacturers and changing consumer preferences. However, Tesla's innovative products and loyal customer base have helped it stay ahead of the curve, and its plans for expansion will be crucial to its success. Tesla's future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the electric vehicle market will continue to grow, and Tesla will be a major player in it. The company's ability to navigate the challenges it faces will determine its success in 2025. The main points to remember are that Tesla's dominance is not guaranteed, and the company needs to continue innovating and adapting to changing market conditions. Tesla's plans for expansion, including new factories and products, will be crucial to its success. What are your thoughts on Tesla's future in the electric vehicle market? Share your comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on the latest electric vehicle trends.